Hi guys, I'm Sarthak. I work with Bickert Adventures as an expedition leader and technical content writer. Today, we're going to talk about how to use gaiters. A gaiter is a sleeve made of abrasion-resistant and waterproof material. It prevents water, mud, and other debris from getting into your boots. A gaiter consists of a zippered closure that is protected by another storm flap with Velcro, a drawcord at the top to tighten it, an instep or stirrup strap that goes under your boot, and a lace hook that hooks onto the boot. While wearing the gaiter, make sure it's fully open except for the instep strap. With the buckle facing outside, slide the strap under your boot and wrap the gaiter around your leg. The lace hook should be facing forward. Now, zip up the gaiter a few inches and attach the lace hook as far as it will go. Some boots have a dedicated hoop for the lace hook. Now, zip up the gaiter completely, close the Velcro closure and tighten the instep strap. Any loose strap can go behind the buckle. Finally, tighten the drawcord. Make sure it's tight enough to not allow water or snow to get in, but it shouldn't be too tight to hamper circulation. If you have any questions, post in the comments below and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible.